Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you the top tricks on the REALME 14 Pro. Okay, so let's begin. First, let's go into the settings, scroll down until you find the accessibility and convenience. Simply click on it and we can start with the AI assistant. So let's go into AI screen recognition. Here you can enable it. Here you can change the activation gesture. You can pick between 2-finger press, 1-finger press, or the thumb press. I'll show you how this works. So you simply put your 2 fingers. Now we got the scanning, and as you can see, it scanned all the text on our phone. And also, if you want, we can select this and, for example, copy, share instead of taking screenshots. So it's really convenient. Okay, next thing is the screenshot. So here you can pick between three finger swipe down, 3-finger touch and hold, and power plus volume down buttons. So I'll show you how this works. So to create a simple screenshot, you need to use your 3 fingers and swipe on the phone, just like this. And as you can see, I have taken a screenshot. Also, when you hold your 3 fingers a little bit and then swipe, you can take a partial screenshot. So put your 3 fingers, now select the part you want to take a screenshot of, and now release. As you can see here, you can select what area of the screenshot we want to save. We can also click on translate. And here pick the language. Okay. Now we can go into gestures and motion and into screen of gestures. Here you can enable them, and we have something like double tap to turn screen on/off, draw an O to open camera, draw a V to turn torch on or off, music control, and more. Draw something like A to launch the calculator, draw an M to launch Gemini, and draw a W to launch recorder. So I'm gonna show you all of these options. So we can start with the double tap to screen to turn on, draw a V, we can turn it on, and the rest of this I'm gonna keep enabled too. So let's start with the double tap to turn screen off on. So when the screen is off, you simply double tap and the screen wakes. Next thing is to draw an O to open camera. So I'm gonna show you how this works. Now I draw an O with my finger, and as you can see, the camera launched. Let's go next. Draw a V to turn torch on or off. So again, let's shadow the screen, draw a V, and as you can see, the torch has been launched. So back into the options. Settings. Draw an A, I don't know what this letter is, to launch calculator, so we'll see how this works. But you need to unlock your phone first. And the calculator has been enabled, and we can count on it. Okay, so back in the settings once more. Draw an M to launch Gemini. Again, we need to unlock the phone. You can click on continue, scroll down and use Gemini. And as you can see, the Gemini has been launched successfully. Okay, and last thing, draw a W to launch recorder. So let's do this. A W. Again, I need to unlock the phone. You can click on allow. And as you can see, I can launch the record over here. So that's the screenshots and gestures. Now I'm gonna show you this Gemini AI. So basically, if you don't want to type something in the internet and look for it, you can simply ask the AI. For example, let's ask a question to the Gemini. What is the weather in the New York right now? So I'm gonna ask this question right now. Also, you can type or use the voice comments. Okay, I don't know why this doesn't want to select. So let me get back to it. Okay, so let's type. What is the weather in New York? And let's send. As you can see, we have our answer. It's 11 degrees. So I would say it's pretty warm. I don't know why this microphone doesn't work, but that's not a big issue. So if you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.